Hi, Level Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, today I'm going to show you how we're going to fix any automation errors that you could possibly get. I'm going to show you step by step what I do whenever there's an automation error and how I go about fixing it for any problem. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your sub account and go to settings, then go to automation and tick this. So by default, errors in workflows will be notified to sub account admin over email. So whenever there's a problem, you don't want to be notified too late. You want to be notified as soon as it happens. Okay, so type in notifications, select your user and pick yourself, and if you can't, and if there's no one there to pick, go to my staff and add yourself as an employee. So now you're going to be notified whenever there's a problem. Okay, next go to automation. Now, so I'm going to click on this automation. Now this is the automation for my calendar where you guys can come speak to me one-on-one if you want to. I'm linking in the description if you want to come speak to me one-on-one. But basically someone goes through this calendar. Now your best friends to find any problems with your automation is going to be the enrollment history and the execution logs. Okay, so let's for example go on the enrollment history. So this is everyone that's gone through this workflow to book a meeting with me. So for example, this first person here, we can see the current action they're on, the current status, and the next executed on. For example, this person's on a wait step. So we can see here, this person is on the wait step. But enrollment history can tell you what person has come in through the automation. So we want to, of course, first check, has this person even gone through the automation? So we've got to tick on that because the automation doesn't work. I'm just showing you. So you want to see if whoever that person is, if they've enrolled into the automation. Next is execution logs. This breaks down step by step if that person has gone through certain steps. So for example, this first person has been added to the workflow. I've tagged them and it's been executed. I've sent them an email and it's been executed. I've sent an internal notification and it's executed, and they're currently on a wait step. So if anything like this doesn't happen and it's red, that means they've been skipped, or if it says skipped over here, that means they haven't gone through that specific step. Now you need to work out why. High level will actually tell you why. So if you go onto this view details, the event will say not successful and it will give you a message to why it hasn't been successful. Then you can go back and tweak any triggers, tweak anything over in the elements that you can add in to see why they haven't gone through that specific step. So those three things are how you can check any automation and fix any automation. If you want one-on-one mentoring with High Level and get a 2-week free trial, sign up through High Level through my link and you get all these benefits here. I'll speak to you one-on-one. We'll jump on Zoom calls. I'll help you any problems that you have. Plus you get all my snapshots on all the rest of it, okay? So that's how we're going to fix any automation error. Please like the video, it helps me out. And if you've got any questions, comment and I'll answer any questions that you have.